So hi friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how can you recover your Google account. How can you, if you forget your password of your Gmail ID, how you can recover that. In this video I'm going to show you how I can do this and how you can do that too also. Okay, so what I have to do is to go to search bar and I have to type here Gmail login. Okay, I will type Gmail login. Here what I have to do is to go to here, accounts.google.co.in. Okay, so I will go here and here I have to type the email address that I want to recover. So for now I have to recover this email ID, contactnextify@gmail.com. Okay, so what I do, contactnextify@gmail.com. Okay, I have to recover this email address. So what I'm gonna do is to click next. Then it will ask me for the password, which I don't remember. What is the password? Here you can see the profile picture of your email address. With that you can identify that is it correct email address that you are going to recover, or is it some other email address. Okay, so here I see the profile picture and it is the same email address that I want to recover. Okay, so here what I have to do is to, because I don't know the password, I forget my password, so I have to click forget password option here. So what I'm going to do is to click here and then I have to wait. And here you see account recovery. To help keep your account safe, Google wants to make sure it's really you trying to sign in. Okay, so they have sent me on my mobile phone Galaxy M52 5G a notification where I have to pull down the notification bar and tap the sign in notification. Tap yes, then tap 9. Okay, but I don't get any notification. If I check here, there's no notifications here. So what I'm going to do is to resend, if they will send me. So let's see if they can send me the notification again or not. Till now I don't got any notification from Google. Let's wait for some time, but there is no notification from Google. Okay, so we can skip this. And if you have already a trusted mobile phone added in your Google account, then the Google will send the notification on that mobile phone. Okay, here in my case it's Galaxy M52 5G mobile phone which I am using, but I am not getting the notification from Google. So what I have to do is to, I don't have my phone, I have to click this option. I don't have my phone, and then I have to wait for some time. Here you can see that an email with verification code was just sent to this email ID. Okay, here I got the email because I have in this email which I am going to recover, I have set a recovery email in case I got locked for this account. Then I can recover it with my recovery email. Here I got the email verification code. You can see here I got the mail. I have to type the password 489411. Okay, 489411, 489411. Okay, so here I'm going to click next, and after that it will verify the code and you can see welcome back. You can update your password now if you have forgotten it. अगर आपका if you forget your password, you can update it from here. You can click on the update password, or if you don't want to change the password, you just want to sign in, you can click on continue. Okay, so for now I will click on update password. Here I have to type the new password.